Grabe. Nakakatuwa lang na I I have this experience to, perform in front of you and perform with the one and only Mr. Ryan Kayabdat. Ang OA nyo guys, Pasko ngayon, hindi tayo magiging masaya. Ay, hindi tayo magiging malungkot. Mali, sorry. But, again, thank you so much po sa lahat na buong-buo ng Pinoy Playlist Music Festival 2024. And also, I would like to thank BGC Arts Foundation Inc. Maraming salamat po. And sa lahat po ng tao na nandito na nagbibigay ng time, ng effort, kahit whole day na po kayo nakatayo dyan, kahit hindi nyo kakilala yung katabi nyo, pwede pakitapik yung katabi nyo tapos sabihin nyo, thank you so much, usog ka ng konti. Yan. Huwag po tayo magtutulakan, let's enjoy the night. And for sure, happy kayo, di ba? Parang ang hina. Happy ba kayo? Yan ang gusto ko. So dahil happy kayo, next song na tayo. For the next song, isa to sa song na kasama sa aking EP. And if you want to sing along with me, if you want to dance, pwede po. Wala pong sisita sa inyo, okay lang. Basta wala pong magtutulakan, okay? So for my next song, this is Classic. Wow! Napakaraming tao. Are you guys enjoying tonight? Alam niyo, first time ko mag-perform sa BGC alone and seeing you guys here tonight, talagang nakakataba po ng puso kasi I can feel the support, I can feel your love, I can feel yung humidity ng country natin. It feels so amazing na, alam ko nang mainit sa Pinas pero ganito yung suot ko, pero syempre kailangan tiis tayo. But again, thank you so much everyone for coming tonight. I really appreciate this, seeing you here tonight sa BGC, and I also want to thank all the artists na nakasama natin sa stage na to na nag-perform at sinelebrate ang ating passion for music. Napakaswerte ko kasi tinutungan din to ng mga musicians natin na talagang masasabi natin lodi talaga. But other than that, I would like to thank Korean Cultural Center percussionist from Groove End with UP Tugma and Padayon Rondalia. Maraming salamat po. And of course, Manila Philharmonic Orchestra, thank you so much. And AMP Nonet, maraming salamat po for sharing your wonderful talent tonight. And ano pa nga bang gagawin natin? Siyempre, kailangan natin mag-celebrate. But before tayo pong mag-proceed sa next song, gusto ko malaman, sino yung mga kasama tonight? Sino kasama nyo? Sino kasama yung parents? Friends? Workmates? Siyempre hindi mawawala. Sino yung kasama yung mga special nila sa buhay? Boyfriend, girlfriend? Ako. May kasama rin ako, don't worry. Kayo, kasama ko. So, sineselebrate ko tonight with my loved ones at kayo yon. Kaya maraming salamat.